Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today's makeup look is inspired by Emily Blunt from the 2019 Golden Globe Awards. I didn't actually watch the Golden Globes. I can't watch award shows anymore because I watch them like most people watch the Super Bowl or football games. I'm yelling at the TV, I'm very involved. However, I do pay attention to their makeup looks and their fashion the next day because I can't help myself. So Emily's look was very pretty. She had the most beautiful dress. Silver was her color. I actually found an article with an interview with her makeup artist, so I was able to see some of the products they actually used. They used a lot of Dior. Dior's out of my price range at this point, so I used a few that I thought were similar. But I hope you enjoy this video inspired by Emily Blunt. She's a great actress. I loved her in Devil Wears Prada, Into the Woods, Mary Poppins Return, and the icing on the cake, she's married to Jim from The Office. So let's get started. So I used MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade Beaute. Then I prepped the lids with Urban Decay Primer Potion. Just use my ring finger to smooth that out. Emily's eyeshadow was from Dior, but I didn't have Dior, so I used NYX, that silver shade right there. FYI, that palette is on sale on NYX website for $8.50 right now. So then I just blended that all over the eyelid, took it up through the crease a little bit, blending out slightly. Now it looked like Emily had a little bit of brown in the crease, so I just used one of MAC's matte brown shades and ran that along the crease. I don't know, maybe her silver shadow just reflected differently. But this gave about the same effect. Took it about almost halfway across the crease. And then blend that well. Then I used a white eyeliner pencil on the lower waterline. I'm not sure if Emily used one, but her eyes look very big and bright. Then I just swept the silver shadow under the eye, about halfway across. I used a volumizing mascara. Emily's makeup artist used individual false lashes, but this gives about the same effect. So just layer that on the top and bottom lashes. Then using NYX Contour Palette, taking that third shade right there, I put that right under the cheekbone, right along there, and slightly turning it up where the apples of the cheek start. Then taking the white highlight shade in the NYX palette, I put that under the eye, on top of the cheekbone, around the nose. Emily had a beautiful glowing highlight going on, so that's the effect I was trying to get. Then, using a brush from Pixi Beauty in a more neutral tone, sort of run that near the apples of the cheek, blending into the contour shade, just to make it a little less sharp, a little more blended, sort of melt everything together. Emily was wearing a mixture of 2 lip shades from Dior. I used 2 from NYX, NYX Liquid Shade, NYX Liquid Suede, and NYX Soft Matte Cream. And I mixed them together on my arm, and just applied them to my lips with my finger. Came out a little too pink, so I added just a little more of the nude shade. And I just noticed that she had a little bit of a highlight on her brow bone, so I just took that white shade from NYX and just gently ran it around along the brow bone. And there we have our makeup inspired by Emily Blunt's 2019 Golden Globe Awards look. It was more subdued. She had a pretty amazing dress. It didn't detract. It complemented it nicely. Emily doesn't have bangs. But I think we came fairly close with the shade and the lip color. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more makeup looks. Check out the blog. And I will see you next time. Bye!